But I believe these are 1x2s. I just cut them apart, took my miter handsaw, cut them at the 22.5 angle as close as I could get. Let's water our beads to help connectivity, you know, with the metal a little bit better. And this angle is not going to be so steep that this is going to really fall out, but we don't want it. We don't need to make it muddy. But that's good. Too much water will add more water energy. It won't. Then it'll throw off the balance a little bit. So you want to kind of maintain a balance of everything. The energy is going to always probably be way more than these. So I cleaned the bottom of this already. Okay, let's push down on it. The Velcro should hold pretty good. I might need a stabilizer actually, because it's, yeah. Okay, I'm back with, I put a stabilizer here on. This was the core for a big spool of network cable, anything like that. This evidently worked really well. So, but my motor I had, like I said, attached to this base because we want a strong base. Because when this turns, it's going to have some a little bit of wobble to it. So let's secure this to the base here. And good. Our stabilizer is really holding it because that little thing wasn't meant for a lot of torquiness back and forth there. All right, so I rigged up my, I spliced my power here. I try to find my wire nuts to do that right, but I have to rig stuff sometimes. You can't seem to find things. All right, so I've already watered this. It's pointing 22.5 degrees. 45 would be about here. So yeah, we got a 22.5 degree angle, and let's let her rip. There we go. That's counterclockwise. This one, like I said, sometimes will spin clockwise, and it might change direction, but there we go. We got a spinning mega Cloudbuster thing. I call this a Skybuster. It's way, way more powerful, I see, than your typical Cloudbuster. Your typical Cloudbuster might be pulling 500,000 Bovis, 500,000. But when you start working with higher energies and start supercharging and stuff, this here could hit 40 billion because the Star of David pattern with the 4 elements balance really, really well together. And we got it pretty good. This rate of rotation is pretty good. It's kind of fast, but like I said, the repetitiveness of it will really work there. The microwave one, platter turner, it has enough torque to it to handle this. Now later when we step up to more powerful ones like 114s, which are a series of Stars of Davids next to each other, you're getting a whole lot more power, possibly trillions of Bovis. So we can go more into that later, but I hope you really enjoy this informative video of how to make a rotational 5-element charger, or Skybuster I call it, and look forward to your comments. Thank you. Okay, just had to verify this is counterclockwise. This is the direction we want it to be spinning, because counterclockwise will send energy out. Clockwise pulls it in, so it kind of defeats it. But we want movement. This is moving on 2 degrees of axis, so moving the Star of David through space in 2 dimensions is adding a lot more power to it. And it's sweeping the sky. It's like our own little radar here. It's pretty neat. So hope this is informative. Make sure get your direction correct, because that could be important there. I don't think a clockwise would be detrimental, but we want to send positive energy out if possible. And I'm gonna keep this running tonight and see if it helps the overcast, because it's good to go. I don't have to sit there waving something in a counterclockwise direction. Look forward to your comments there, and thank you.